In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a Steam gift card. If you do find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more Steam tutorials just like this. It'd greatly help out the channel. Now say you've bought a Steam gift card or someone gave you one and you're ready to now add it to your account. Here's exactly how you can do that. Go ahead and open up Steam and then find your profile name up in the top right corner. Click on it and it's going to pop up with this drop down right here. Go ahead and click on that account details section from that drop down. On this account page, you'll see an option that says wallet balance right here. You simply want to go ahead and go right above that until you see the option that says add funds to your Steam wallet. Essentially click on that. Once again, this is located just above your balance. On this page right here, you're going to want to find this option that says redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code and click on it. It's going to be in that right hand section. And from here, you just need to go ahead and enter in that code from your card and click continue to add those funds to your account. But it really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments below, but your Steam wallet will now be topped up and ready to use. If this video did help you out, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for even more tutorials just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.